Is that yummy, Ruby? Ruby and I are sharing some Ciao Bella blood orange sorbet. Is that yummy? Here. This is what happens, Rue. Is that yummy? You want to hold Mommy's spoon too? Here. Watch this. Watch this. Oh, okay. We can't take it away. You go hold Mama's though. Watch this. We get a little bit on her spoon. Give it to Ruby and right in the mouth it goes. Good. Right, Rue? Is that so good? Is that so good? Is that so good? Is that so good? This baby is gonna love. Oh, now you're gonna eat off the other spoon too.
Gonna love what?
Love sorbet like her mama. Can I give you some more?
I'm sure
No. I can't give you more if you're gonna scream.
I used to love rainbow sherbet as a kid.
And there's Ruby eating sorbet with Mama.